Difficult decision, and the senator will mark his 82nd birthday this week, but the celebration will no doubt be subdued since John McCain has been battling an aggressive form of brain cancer, and the medical treatment battle is now ending. Senator John McCain's family shared the news in a statement announcing the Arizona Republican has chosen to discontinue medical treatment for the aggressive glioblastoma he's been fighting for more than a year. His family also noted he has surpassed expectations for his survival. Senator McCain was diagnosed with a deadly brain cancer last July after undergoing surgery to remove a blood clot above his eye. He stepped away from Washington to focus on treatment. But just 2 weeks after brain surgery, he returned to the Senate floor and defied fellow Republicans, casting the vote that stopped the repeal of Obamacare. McCain hasn't returned to the Capitol since December and has been fighting his brain cancer at his home in Arizona. Nearly a year ago, McCain talked to CNN's Jake Tapper about his disease and his demise.
I'm not trying to paint this as a rosy picture. This is a very virulent form of cancer. It has to be fought against. But Jake, you know, every life has to end one way or another. I think it was a playwright. He said, I always knew that no one could live forever, but I thought there might be one exception.
Former Secretary of State John Kerry called McCain a brave man. And Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said, we are so fortunate to call him our friend and colleague. McCain's family said they are grateful for the support and kindness of all of his caregivers and for the thousands of people who are keeping him in their prayers. And as mentioned in the report, McCain has been keeping a low profile since last December. The Washington Post reporting he did occasionally issue written statements on major news developments, but offering little information about his condition until now. Crystal, back to you.